All right, fellow meme stock holders, XMAX Trading here. Just want to go over the latest DD regarding AMC stock on Memorial Day weekend. So go and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and let's get started. So I found this pretty amazing article. AMC stock is a much better meme stock than GameStop. So they came out and said it. It's pretty amazing. But there's still no sign of a turnaround when it comes to GameStop's fundamentals. I guess you can only buy so many video games or, merchandise from GameStop. AMC and GameStop have done well to make sure they take advantage of the recent surge, right? Recent as the last couple of days. GME continues to hold despite a heavily volatile market. However, AMC's underlying business is doing better than GME. That's kind of amazing for them to say that. GameStop shows no signs of turning the tide when it comes to fundamentals. The only area where GameStop can see some success is cash management, which means that it has enough money to continue operating until its financial situation improves. Still, GME is such a strong meme stock that many investors remain skeptical of aborting the ship right now. However, the same can be said for AMC, which in my opinion is the better meme stock. That's kind of amazing. Both AMC and GME have done well to make sure to take advantage to shore up their recent respective balance sheets. It also helps that billionaire Ray Dalio fund of Bridgewater Associates recently picked up the two meme stocks, right? He bought both GME and AMC. However, analysts and investors can get a bit more subjective beyond that. While chances are slim, there's a possibility that GME will recover. This would only be the case if investors would like to speculate on the matter. They should invest cautiously on GME. I would say the same thing about AMC, however, its underlying business seems to be doing well. In recent months, the company has benefited from a big tentpole releases and can look forward to pretty full content slate coming up. And the devoted fan base, right? Not financial advice, but a lot of the apes are, buying movie tickets to, see different movies and prop up AMC and the company is going to do better and retail owns the float, right? GME and AMC have different fortunes right now. GME seems to be more closely related to the irrational valuation than AMC, despite a few differences. Because AMC's at $11 and GME is at over $100. Why is GME stock on the rise? Despite a volatile market, GameStop has maintained its shares at these levels. Their intrinsic value is very low, but they have other avenues of growth thanks to a loyal customer base. Some people might be positive when they hear that the company is launching a new initiative, and one of them is supporting the launch of their NFT marketplace. They may also have heard that the demand for software will continue to improve due to the company's blockchain technology. Speculation about GameStop's potential recovery is quite high, but may not come to fruition. Before investing your money in this speculation, it's important to be cautious of the risk involved. Buying shares in a company just because they're rising seems compelling. With the state of the market, gaining financial benefits can be easy. However, if the company is not backed by fundamental strength, the markets will eventually balance the scales. GameStop is a popular place to shop for games. The company is also in good financial shape with over $1 billion in cash over their debt. This provides GameStop with a pretty large wiggle room, but it still has to make commitments here and there. Knowing that profits can be rather volatile, in 2021 the company had a negative operating cash flow and a bad year for EBITDA. Nothing an analyst or prominent investor says won't be worth anything if you're speculating. For speculators, this makes sense, but for real investors, GME is not a company to seriously consider buying in. AMC is doing well. AMC recently impressed analysts with an earnings beat. Despite a non-GAAP loss, its revenue hit $785.7 million for the quarter. These numbers handily beat analyst estimates, marking a big win for the meme stock. AMC stock jumped after its move beat Wall Street's expectations for the first quarter. The report came in when other industries are struggling, making the story of AMC stock particularly enticing for those looking to invest in off-trend meme stocks. AMC's been trending pretty well. Post-pandemic period brought many people to theaters for the first time in a long time, so it's not surprising there's an increase in ticket sales, which has helped its slate of tentpole releases that have kept the cash registers ringing. In addition, the company has launched initiatives that have stoked investor interest. Some make sense to the average investor, such as popcorn outside the movie theaters. Others, like investments in struggling gold and silver mine, excite Reddit users as an important investor segment for AMC. If you want to play the meme stock game, buy AMC stock. Wow. It is not recommended to invest in low-quality companies given the high risk involved. Investment planning should be done with care and cannot be treated lightly. However, if you're the kind of investor who wants to take the risk, then AMC is a much better proposition than GME. Another aspect is to consider that